God, I got so fucking lost. Where's he at? Where's this guy at? Honestly, bro, I got lost.
Like, I left late, I was like, man, he's probably already there.
Nah, bro. What's up, baby? Other colors is gonna be here too soon.
What we doing?
Helping out homie with his turbo.
Okay.
Oh, Carlos was gonna put on his skateboard today, but then he kind of put it on early. And then I was supposed to put on my new taillights today, but I kind of did it yesterday, bro.
I like it.
Oh, this differential too, bro. Look.
Still
Huh? And then I'll put it in new stereo too, bro.
And you worked with all your amplifier? Yeah, my shit's fucked.
Yeah.
My front speakers.
Oh, that's okay.
So I need to change the amp out.
Bro, just like upgrade it to a better amp, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Can I sit in the Lexus, bro?
Yeah.
I never sat in the Lexus, bro. Look at that guy.
Actually driving safely.
Yeah. No, it's too. The potholes here are like crazy.
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck.
He's gonna pull up.
Look at that guy. Look at this guy.
What?
What are you doing?
I live here.
No shot.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here. Hold on.
I walk down the street.
Yeah. That shit sounds so good, bro.
He's gonna pull up. Like, no shot. And I was like, yeah, I live right here. And like, I think there's actually an empty house right here. I could like squatters' rights or whatever.
Look at this guy. I invited him, bro. Yeah, because we want to talk about going to the auction tomorrow. You like the new taillights, bro? Oh, bro. And then look, they're sequential too.
So fancy.
Fancy.
Please leave your message for
Bruh.
Stuck in the car right now.
Going up to it right now. That's Clips, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you should get one. They're still kind of cheap right now.
Shut up.
They are.
How cheap?
Like $2,000.
Oh my gosh, don't say that because I might. Well, yeah, I got an Eclipse. It doesn't have like the wheels, but it's an Eclipse.
This guy. You know a lot about turbos, bro?
You know a lot about turbos? Yeah, great. I tell them all the time.
What is that?
Huh?
There's the G-Shock.
Yeah, there is it.
Where is the easy?
Where's the owner of the car?
Garage?
What's the front door? This is the back door?
Imagine we actually went to the backyard.
No, this is the front.
This is the front?
That has to be the
I
front.
think the garage. I would think like the garage is where the front is.
Wait, but like there's another path over here. This is definitely it.
Yeah, definitely looks like a front door.
That's a good one.
Why are you just in the backyard?
We saw you going around the back. What's going on?
Oh!
Hey there. Oh, we're looking for Ezekiel. It's all good.
What's up, bro? Look at that guy. Look at this guy right here, bro.
I don't know, he's a YouTuber now. With the hips.
I feel like no front bumpers are moving nowadays.
Should do it, bro.
No, it's not.
Do it.
No, it's not. It's not the move.
Not for mine. Mine looks like a little bullet. Like it's so long.
We
Yeah,
should
no.
do. You should like remove it, but then put on like a drift bash button just to tell people you go drifting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what you should do? You should just slam it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll help you with the coils.
That's all. You know what? I was gonna do that with a sledgehammer. I was gonna just like.
Yeah.
Sledgehammer.
I was
To
gonna,
slam
like,
his car.
When's your birthday?
22nd of April.
Yeah, we'll slam your car.
I'm gonna buy you like $300 coils, bro.
That's gonna be
Stop.
crazy. If you,
Give him some eBay coils.
Max speeding rod coils, bro.
Stop.
Those are race coils, bro. You know why they're race coils?
Yeah, tell me. I want to hear it.
No, okay,
can't support
okay,
this.
okay. Because, like, they're cheap,
Yeah.
so you can just keep replacing
Every
them.
time, they're like, oh, I drove it one time. Now I get to replace it.
Yeah.
It's a little windy in there.
I think there's something missing.
There's a lot of space back there, bro. You might be able to put a turbo, you know?
Dude, dead ass?
Does?
I didn't think about that nowadays.
Man, bro, it's low-key the move.
So, is it?
See all the dirt?
Oh, yeah. Oh, damn.
The thing was pouring oil out. It was bad.
That's why you don't
And it
own
goes
German
sideways
cars,
like that. No, it clips like that. It's bad because it was like you popped off the bottom one. It was like.
You have a battery? It runs on oil. You have a fucking. Your coolant? Oil.
See all these lines right here?
Oil.
Oil lines, yeah.
All these be like.
Just gotta make sure it's good.
Just loosen his oil filter.
Just a little bit. Just like make sure like get some air in there.
Yeah. We should loosen his oil filter, bro.
Don't do that.
Just
I like his oil filter way more. Or the position. Mine, it's the same position but gay.
It's the, wait, what?
Yeah.
It's the same position.
like, do
but
you just
gay.
like suck on it, bro, or like how do you
It's
get?
because you gotta like turn the other way. It's just like
You turn the other way?
it's facing up instead of down. You know what I mean? The curve-
Oh, it's
curves-
like
curves left instead of right. Hey, low-key, I think something's missing right here.
right there.
so?
You know, this connection must go to something.
Yeah, it must go to some.
11. I was thinking 6.
6?
Such a tiny turbo. But I don't really know much about turbos.
Yeah, you don't know much about turbos. Bro,
Only
tiny turbo
turbos-
can pack a lot, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's oil. That was coolant. That's all coolant in there.
Oh, what's that?
I had a. No, it's actually.
Yo.
It's pretty big.
He doesn't want to lay down.
It's because of the screw.
The Toro or speed run? Speed run putting on a turbo, 90%.
The fastest I've seen a guy done.
Okay, so because when you lift it,
This actual one.
then
He legit was cutting some shit. He was
Nice.
Like, he was in a
"Get done."
junkyard when he was doing it. I was like, that's so stupid. Cut through everything.
So you got like blocks that kind of hold it down.
I used the bricks.
The bricks.
How bricks?
The rocks in the block.
Hey, but there was a rock in your interface.
Yeah.
Nice guys.
It's not a rock.
Is that a rock?
That's definitely not a rock. That shit squeezed on me. That shit was squishy.
Pick it up, bro.
Nah, it's too late. Not a rock. I don't care no more. Someone's gotta hold it. I mean, Bro, hey, no, hold on, wait. 5,000 for labor.
There's not enough room.
There's not enough room in there, bro. Bro, how do you want to try it?
God damn.
It's gotta go exactly like that.
No,
he goes to the gym, bro.
I was like looking at this like this should weigh like 3 pounds. And I was like, oh, this definitely 10.
Hand it to you?
Like no, like bring it down and I'll try to like have my hand. I can put my hand through here.
Is it tight?
You know what?
You know what?
Drop it, cause let me see here. Try it. Get my both hands in there.
You know what's funny is that the person that this car is for is not even here right now. We're just doing his work right now.
Got it.
So it's got to go just like... Okay. We got to move that, John.
My left hand.
Look at him. Look at him squirm, bro.
It's hard.
Is it hard?
That's what she said.
Shut up.
You want me to take it back?
I got it.
Wait, so what's the move though? Like, what are we doing?
Chris, angle.
No. You know what? We're taking this back up now. Chris is just holding the camera now.
No, but like I'm confused. Like, what step are we doing after this?
Look at this thing right here. Where my hand is.
Okay.
You're hooking up that?
So we're looking for.
Okay. I thought we were hooking up the oil feed line, no?
We're gonna line it up, and then I think the lines go some.
You want to switch spots?
It looks comfy down there, bro.
It's not comfy.
It's not. That's what's up.
Oh yeah, bro, I love that angle, bro. That angle is so good.
Oh yeah, bro.
Carlos, can you see that angle?
Can you see, bro?
Nothing but angles.
We try to like thread it through like the bottom, and we just couldn't do it. So we're just gonna.
You want me to do it?
You wanna put
I'll
it from the
show you.
bottom?
I will show you how.
Alright, you know what? Let me see. Let me see how.
I want to see this in act. What is this? This ain't, I felt like a little kid, like when we do like the puzzle shapes and all that. I was like, this don't fit.
The puzzle block don't fit. Okay, so you're gonna put it in there through the subframe.
He does it fast enough that he doesn't feel it.
What you, bro? You can just feel it go down. Hey, bro. Just a quick turbo install, you know?
Yeah.
Quick one day thing.
One day. Oh God, bro. Raheem type beat.
Bro, when he lost his emblem, there was like nothing on
This
there.
shit was hilarious, bro.
Remember the 392 that he had on the side?
Yeah.
Solara 392. Why have I been delegating this?
holding it?
Yes, I'm still holding it.
Oh my gosh. Have fun.
This is great, bro. You can go join them if you want.
Can't really see it,
I can't see well.
Can you see? Oh,
No.
Sun.
Did you hit your head?
No, I just looked straight into the sun, bro.
What?
What's this?
No, it's Chris. It's Chris. He always looks at the sun.
Bro.
So you want to hold the turbo real quick?
Whoa.
I don't know how I feel about this.
I'm gonna die.
Nah, you're in safe hands, Z, bro. We're good.
So what are we doing?
Move this stuff. Take that off.
We're taking off the manifold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Maybe it's like
Okay, to your
Your left, my right.
Yeah.
what?
to your right. There's a
Close.
nut on the very bottom.
Oh, it's so okay. Don't. What are you gonna do? Oh yeah.
Somewhere right here, I think.
Oh, let's throw one off the big spot. Turbo and
Move the gasket out the way.
hold the baby.
I'll hold it. Give me 1 second. I'm not holding it yet. I'm holding it in front of me.
Okay.
I'm about to fart. Don't walk behind me.
I want to be under this.
Let's go with 12 first.
Definitely a 12. You think it's a 12?
Final answer 13, bro. Come on.
She's a 10. What? My sleep paralysis.
This is what I saw. I knew it, bro. Did you know it?
He said 12. You agreed.
I can't feel shit.
Automotive language.
Shove it in. Shove it in. Get in there.
If it was gonna spin on tight.
So bad.
Apparently, I was loosening the bolt
This whole time?
In and out sounds good.
Oh my god, I'll grab your nuts and go to nuts. I'll grab your shit. Where the fucking bolts at? We gotta plug shit in. Let's go to in and out.
It all lines up and it'll go right to the freaking spot. You'll see it.
My brother in Christ.
He does not know what you mean.
Do you need the bracket?
Bro, I'm not used
That makes
to
sense,
being
huh?
Where the fuck's the bracket?
Yeah. Our next video, we'll put in the engine pad.
Screw it up, screw it up.
That 4x4?
Yeah, bro.
Them animal fries?
When I stroke my shit, I also lean into it. You know what I mean?
You start feeling warm.
Hold on, let me pull a Chris real quick.
Oh god, that's
Yeah.
scary.
Oh yeah.
Every time you did that, think about that. Every time.
Oh hey there.
He sees this fucking spit.
What about my control arms?
Yeah, like the joint is on my stuff, right?
Oh, you don't think I know that?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, that's the drifting mods.
That's the drifting mod?
Yeah.
My bad, bro.
Yeah, it's front wheel drive. You drift them all the time, dude.
Oh, yo, it's your home thing, man. That's sick, man.
Oh, someone rub poo poo on me.
A few moments later.
Hello? Is anyone there? Where did everybody go? Hello?